Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use formulas in Excel. This is probably one of the most confusing areas, so we're going to break it down. This video may be a minute or so longer. Now, there are multiple ways of writing and building formulas. I'm going to show you three ways to use the formulas, and you still get, and when we get the same answer. So what we're going to do, we want to add everything in column C4 through C16. Okay, I'm going to use that as an example. Now, one way we could do this is and I want my answer to show up here in C17. So with any formula, you have to start out with an arithmetic operator. When you say an operator, that could be a minus sign, plus sign, multiplication sign, divide sign, equal. Now, typically what we do in Excel to stay consistent is we use the equal sign. So when I put an equal sign as the first character in a cell, Excel automatically knows that, okay, this is a formula. So now, one of the first ways I could do this, I could write this out all myself. So I could take C4 right there, right? That'd be C4. I'm going to add it to, and I can keep going to C5 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7 plus C8 plus C9. I think you see where we're going here, hopefully. Plus C10. Oh, made a mistake. 10 plus C11 plus C12 plus C13 plus C14 plus C15 plus C16. Okay, I wrote all that out manually. Now, if I hit enter, I get an answer of $3,508. And if I click in C17, you see my formula pops back up there again. That was a lot of work, wasn't it? It was very time consuming. Easier ways to do this. Another way, I'll do the same thing. I use the equal command, and I use this formula value that's called sum, S-U-M. As a matter of fact, you see it right there, kind of pops up there. I'm going to just type it in, S-U-M. And when you type sum in, you see it automatically, Excel looks for every formula that it has, every function that uses sum. So I'm just going to type sum, S-U-M. Now I'm going to use the parentheses. Put out parentheses, and it tells you it's looking for number 1, number 2, number 3. Now, here's a shortcut we can do. I know that I want to add C4 through C16. So I can write it just like that. C4, and I'm going to use a colon C16. And now you see what happened there? Excel automatically showed me that everything in blue is in that range from C4 to C16. Now I got to open parentheses, now I got to close it, close parentheses. There. When I hit enter, voila. What did I get? The same number, $3,508. And you see my formula now. So if I read this formula, it should read like a mathematical sentence. I'm doing an equation, a formula. I'm using the function of summing, and I'm summing everything between C4 to C16. Okay? I can do it that way. All right, now let me show you another way we can do this. Actually, it's 4 ways we can actually do this. So if I do equal again, and I type sum, S-U-M, right? I'm going to use sum. And now I bring my my cursor, my mouse down to C4. I left click on C4 and I drag it all the way down to C16. And hit enter. Exact same thing. It did it for us. It did it for us. So it's the same formula. And the last way we can do this is over here. If you look over to the far right, now I'm using Excel on a Mac, so on Windows it may look a little bit different. But it has this auto sum feature. Okay, that will allow you to do auto sums. So what I can do is, again, I can select that range, and I hit auto sum, and you see it automatically put the formula in down here at the same place. So that's 4 ways to we can actually use a formula. And this is using a formula in a single sheet. My next video will show you how to use formulas across worksheets. So I want to be sure you understand this part first, then we're going to do the next part in the next video.